Why put spacer on wheel? Installing wheel spacers is a cost-effective way to keep the wheels you have, while increasing your track width. Lightweight plus means that the hollow design is further optimized based on common wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight, reduce energy consumption, improve control performance, and keep a balance between high performance and environmental protection while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 30% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Each BONOSS product is engraved with the BONOSS of B, which means that these wheel spacers and wheel bolts are manufactured by BONOSS factory. Quality is guaranteed. Customer insists are protected. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be completed 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides ODM too. If you need the special techniques of both pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, the BONOSS custom spacer is your best choice. BONOSS provides customized service of special techniques, 3mm to 160mm. If you have any question about wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.